Hey everyone, in today's video we'll see about how to build our very own AI app that can understand documents and answers questions about them. But the best part is here it is 100% local and does not need any GPU and any outsourcing app subscription needed. So it is 100% free and you can build with your own data. So it's a retrieval augmented generation system, or RAG for short. Here I'm going to break this down step by step. Let's get started. First, RAG means everyone know. It's a retrieval augmented generation. It's a smart way to make language model more accurate and useful. Imagine you give ChatGPT a big PDF and ask questions about it, but it wasn't trained on that PDF. RAG solves this by combining two powerful ideas. Number one, retrieval. We retrieve the most relevant information from a document using a search-like system. Second, generation. Then we generate answers using a language model, but only based on what we retrieved. It's like giving your AI model a personal memory boost instead of guessing. It answers based on real data from your documents. So here are some of the tools that we use, which you can install through pip. First one is LangChain, which is for connecting all parts of the pipelines, and FIS, a fast way to search and retrieve text chunks from your documents, and Hugging Face transformers to run a small but powerful models called FLAN T5 base, and sentence transformers to turn text into smart embedding using all mini LM L6 version 2. Next is PyPDF package to read text from PDF files, and all on CPU, not GPU needed. Next, let's start with the code. First, we are loading the PDF files using LangChain loader to read the PDF and break it into chunks. Next step is embedding. This step converts text into vectors, kind of like converting words into points in space so we can search through them. Next, we store those smart vectors in FIS so we can find related text really fast. Now we load our question answering model, and this one is on CPU friendly. So we are using pipeline package from transformers. Next, through LangChain.chains, we are using retrieval QA. This brings everything together. First, it retrieves the best chunks from the document. Then it generates an answer using the FLAN T5 model. Let's give a query by asking question in the PDF, and you'll get the answer through a QA chain. You can use your own set of PDFs, or you can give an entire folder and fine tune based on your use cases. In order to take it into next step, you can use GPU also for a large set of data. There are so many applications based on these things. It doesn't need any training. We can just use language model straightly, and it answers all your questions based on your data. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.